Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to install bifold closet doors on a track. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have one bifold closet door over here, and I'm going to be installing it on this track over here for this closet in my basement storage room. I do apologize about the noise. The air conditioner is running and I have the blower fan in the room beside me. So I do apologize about the noise, but I'm gonna do my best to show you exactly how to do this. Now, essentially, your opening for your bifold closet door or doors is going to have a track, and it's either going to be set for 2 sets of bifold doors or 1 set. This one is set for 2 sets, but I'm just going to show you one half of this, one side of it. Now, essentially, on the bifold closet door, or doors, I should say, there are going to be 3 points that you need to focus on. There's going to be these 2 pieces at the top on either end, and these pieces actually retract. As you can see, both of them retract like that. And then on the bottom, on the outside portion, let's see if I can get it on camera, there's going to be a little bolt, it looks like, as you can see right over there. There it is. There's the bolt. So there's the bolt right there. And those 3 things are going to go on the track in the following ways. Now, I'm assuming that you already have your track set up. Essentially, you're going to have an outside piece like this, okay? And then you're going to have a track at the top like that, okay? So basically, that bolt over here, and I'll show you how to do it in a moment, that bolt over here is going to go inside of this set of notches, I was going to say this notched track or this set of notches. It's up to you, however you want to call it. But essentially, that bolt is going to go in here, and you can adjust it along the track according to whatever you want to do with it in terms of spacing. And the top retracting piece that is directly on top of that bolt, which is on this side, is going to go on the outside portion of the track on the top, and it's going to go in this spot right over here, okay? And you can adjust this accordingly as well. And then the inside retracting piece over here is just going to go wherever it lands on the track on the inside. So essentially, we have 3 pieces. We have a bolt, and then we have 2 retracting pieces on the top. The bolt is going to go on the outside bottom portion. The retracting piece on top of the bolt is going to go on the outside top portion of the track, and then the other retracting piece is going to go wherever it ends up in there. Now, what I'm going to do, and I'm going to try and do this smoothly, sorry about that, is I'm going to set my camera up on my tripod over here, doing my best to not obstruct with the filming. I'm going to move the tripod back, so hopefully, sorry, I got a couple of obstructions over here. Hopefully you can see the entire area. Let's see, and then I'll give you a view when I'm done. Just a little bit further back. There we go. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in place, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing it over there. So just bear with me. I'm going to now go in front of the camera. Here I am, okay? And essentially I'm going to put it in place. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the bifold closet door, okay, just like this. We're going to put it in position to however we're going to be installing it. This ends up going on the left portion of this opening over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to put the bolt inside of that notched track on the bottom outside portion. So I'm going to lift it up, and I'm going to put the bolt in that notched track. Okay, and you should feel it go in the notched track. So I feel like it's in there now, okay, because it's notched in there. So that's the first step. Second step, I'm going to retract the piece on top of the bolt, and I'm going to put it inside of that top track portion right there. So I'm retracting the piece on top of the bolt. I'm not sure if you can see this on camera, but I'm retracting that piece, and I'm going to just sort of plop it into that area right there. Now, I am going to just adjust this a little bit because I'm not getting the clearance that I need. So give me a moment over here. Let's adjust it a little bit more. Okay? There we go. This should be okay like this. Almost there. So one quick moment. Sometimes you have to make on-the-spot adjustments, okay? So I gotta make sure this bolt is ending up in the notched track right there, not on top. Because sometimes if it ends up on top, you're not gonna get the clearance you need, okay? So now what I'm gonna do, there we go. So the bolt is now in that notched track, and I now put that retractable piece inside that little circle there. Now the next step, and let me just make sure this is on camera. I'm just going to make sure you can see this. I'm going to angle it upwards like that. The next step is to take this other retractable piece. I'm going to retract it down, and I'm going to slide it in the track and release it. And now, as you can see, we have installed the bifold closet door. Now this piece is loose. I'm actually replacing this entire closet. So I'm really doing this video for the purposes of showing you how to do it. But just so you know, like that's why these are all there's paint all over them and stuff. I use them as a background for painting when I was painting some of the shelves. I'm replacing the entire closet system at the, within hopefully within the next few months. So this is just really for this video, and then I'm gonna get rid of these doors. So essentially, what we've done here, that's why this is a little bit loose, just so you know, in case you see it sort of wiggling back and forth, it's a little bit loose. So what we've done is this piece right here is in the track. That is the retractable piece, and there's nothing on the bottom of that side, okay? So that's in the track right there, okay? In addition, we have the retractable piece on top of the bolt part, so the outside portion. That's inside of that little circle right there, like I showed you earlier. And then on the bottom, we have that bolt inside of the notched track over here, okay? And that is essentially it, okay? And like I said, that bolt can go sort of anywhere along this notched track. It's kind of up to you and your spacing. It's too far out, right? So I would have to adjust it inwards, too far out. But that's for the purposes of this video, I'm just showing you how to install it. And I will actually, shortly after this, be releasing a video on how to adjust a bifold closet door that's in place. So if you want to learn how to adjust it, probably check back tomorrow. I'm going to guess that I'll be releasing it. I'm going to film it right now, and then I'm going to release it soon thereafter. So yeah, probably check back tomorrow and you'll see that. That's basically it. And really easy to do. I just want to show you exactly how to do it in this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.